federal regulators are investigating whether Ford Motor Company should widen a recall of automatic transmissions to include 1.4 million additional vehicles after continuing to receive complaints from owners, including some who say the recall repair didn't work. Ford issued a recall of 153,000 vehicles in 2016 because their automatic transmissions could unexpectedly shift into first gear and cause drivers to lose control. It involved certain F-150 pickups, Ford Expedition and Lincoln Navigator SUVs, and Mustangs from the 2011 and 2012 model years. The Associated Press reports that the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration is now looking into whether Ford should have included as many as 1.4 million F-150S Expeditions and Lincoln Navigators from the 2011, 2012 and 2013 model years. Ford says it's cooperating with the investigation.